This is Joe's powering features. Oh my god, is that a power link? Haha.
It's a Bella. If you heard that loud bang, that would be Joe crashing. Because she's not very good since she's just started. As you can see, Joe is injured. She can barely get up.
Die. Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye, world. World, I know you love me. Well, who cares?